Cleaning products and their impact on your health and aging. Eliminate toxic cleaning products and similar items in your environment. Our culture is very ingrained into using bleach, disinfectants, and other harsh chemicals to make sure all bacteria, germs, and/or pathogens are knocked out dead in their tracks. Unfortunately, some ingredients in these products are actually harmful to our health. They can confuse our immune system and cause harmful bacteria and other harmful microbes to mutate, allowing them to become stronger. Also, keep in mind that our bodies contain about 39 trillion microorganisms and bacteria, without which we would not exist, therefore killing bacteria should not always be the end goal. The harsh chemicals found in everyday cleaning products can also interfere with our natural immunity by overstimulating our immune systems or interfering with healthy hormonal activity, and as we age, the effects of this become even more apparent and harmful. First, let's take a look at some chemicals and their harmful effects they may have on health, according to the Environmental Working Group. 1. Poisoning and chemical burns are the more obvious effects, and products like these often come with warnings. If you must use them, do not be in a closed room while using them and limit your exposure. In high amounts, borax and boric acid, often used as an ingredient in laundry and dishwashing detergents, are linked to issues with the sex organs, problems like testicular atrophy in males and reduced fertility in females. Worse, they have the ability to cross over into the placenta of a pregnant woman and affect birth weight and fetal skeletal development. Studies show that nearly 1 in 3 cleaning workers develop atopic dermatitis. Common or ordinary cleaning of office, workspaces, schools and other public spaces releases volatile fumes within minutes of use, which can travel through the air or ventilation system. Fumes such as ammonia and glycol ether have been linked to increased asthma, eczema and allergies. Fragrances are a top allergen, and about 1 in 5 people who are exposed to them suffer breathing difficulties and headaches, while one study found that home air fresheners are linked to depression in adults as well as earaches and diarrhea in infants. Farrow 2003. Chlorine and phosphoric acids are commonly used in cleaning products and can lead to cell dehydration and interfere with natural hormonal action as they affect the thyroid. As we age, the organs become more fragile and the need to take care of them becomes more important. Anyone who has experienced low thyroid with age is familiar with symptoms that seem to be associated with premature aging, including frizzy hair and unexplained weight gain. Cleaning ingredients vary in the type of health hazard they produce. Some cause acute or immediate issues such as skin or respiratory irritation, watery eyes, or chemical burns, while others are associated with chronic or long-term effects such as cancer. For the best alternatives to toxic cleaning products, please get your copy of The Aging Games: How to Come Out a Winner. Available on Amazon.com.